If you blink, you might miss the future walking by. Humanoid's HMND 01 Alpha went from concept to upright and mobile in record time, thanks to ultra-precise 3D modeling and NVIDIA-powered simulation that crammed 19 months of training into a weekend. The result is a 5'10" robot that can run, sidestep, take a 350-Newton shove, and keep its balance better than most people at the gym. Alpha brings 29 degrees of freedom, modular hands, depth sensors, haptics, and a Jetson or an AGX brain built for factory work, household support, and service tasks. With a focus on fast deployment and low ownership costs, Humanoid isn't just rolling out another biped. It's rolling out a productivity upgrade for any space that needs an extra set of hands, or two,